Proprietary models are a great place to get started with because you can get started on them by just using an API, while open source models need more effort. But open source models, when fine-tuned for a business, perform much better, and over a longer period of time will end up costing a good 10 to 15 times lower than. So if you're just playing around and not serious and you're lazy, go for proprietary models. If you're truly innovative and you're Indian and you like to save money, go for open source models.
I would put it simply as the comparison between proprietary and open source is very similar to Microsoft and Linux back in the day. So how Linux has these piecewise implementations done by different folks at different places, but it still worked out. Now there is always the argument that Linux is free if you don't value your time, but we have seen that community has nurtured Linux more, and anything serious you deploy it in Linux. So I think eventually that's what would happen with open source, and so that's our vision.
All right, so to answer this question, as Akash put it earlier, these proprietary models are very easy to set up in the beginning, but over a period of time, the viability tends to lower down. So here, the main thing that we're doing at the product is analyzing both proprietary as well as open source model works. We analyze what are the pain points that the customers face over a period of time as they continue with the proprietary models, and we try to address those pain points with the help of open source models. One important thing here is that the innovation in terms of whatever new features that are coming in the market are very rapid in case of the open source models. So what we try to do here is we try to bring these innovations to the users as soon as possible with the help of these open source models.